Inshallah.
He's going to record me, don't post it. That's all I'm asking.
Yeah.
Morning, guys. Morning.
This next dance is called Nukan, means mosquito. When we go through the mangroves looking for our food, mosquito bite us. We break off our branches and we chase the mosquitoes away. Nukan! Nukan! Karama! This next dance is called Gurunga. Gurunga is our warning dance. Come to land without permission, we protect our land with our spear. Gurunga. Up! Harr! Harr! Boy! This next dance is called Pamagiri. That means our silent snake. Snake gonna come out, look for his prey, and he's gonna get it. Watch out for that snake.
Pamagiri.
The cassowary. He loves the rainforest and he loves the fruit on the rainforest floor. Bundara.
That was funny.
Wait there, yeah. All right. This next dance is called Waranjara. Waranjara means shake your leg. Watch this dance, because your turn is next.
Yeah. What we're going to do now, we're going to get 3 volunteers. Would anybody like to come up on stage and learn how to dance? Yeah, good dance.
Yeah, one more day. Come on now.
One. Come.
Yeah.
Two. Come. Up on stage.
Buddy, yeah.
Go.
Come.
Emre.
Come here, lady. Come around the back here.
Make a line.
All right.
There you go.
Watch him, yeah?
Okay.
You ready? All right, just relax, guys. This is what brother's going to show you first.
Okay.
All right, everybody, this is one Jana means shake a leg. Here we go. One Jana in the house on the Jana. 1, 2, 3. Easy. Yeah. One more time. One more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Shake, shake. All right. Yes. All right, my friends. Let's take 2 steps forward there. All right. We made it easy, yeah? 3 parts to the dance. The first one, walk it out. Follow the we go to stop, so we do it with a pose. One leg up, two arms out.
Get ready, get ready.
Okay, you know, friend, go back. You darling, go back. My friend. She's going first, everybody, help her out. Clap your hands to the beat. Hold on the dance side. Are you ready? On that count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Here we go, come on now. Clap your hands out there, everybody, help me out. Are you ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, hey! We said the best one now. One more time, everybody, here we go. Are you ready, buddy? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, hey! Pretty good. Oh, one more thing. One more thing. Everyone come up one line. Okay, we all gonna do it again. I'm only joking. Did I do a good job, everybody?
Yeah!
Very pretty good, yeah? Easy thing, everybody. We all friendly people. Raise your hands. Give everybody wave and a smile. Yeah. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for coming. I am called Gindaja. Thank you.
I'm Garna, that means black cockatoo.
They call me Jayawa, that means the salt water.
And I'm born, James Bond. I did laugh at it. Vilma, tribal land.
Okay, folks, that comes to the end of the dance show. Thank you very much for coming. Okay, you're all doing the Dreamtime walk now? Over to the railing there? Yep. Jacob's your guide. Thank you. Thank you.
My name is Jacob, and I'm going to be taking you for your Dreamtime walk. Yes? Yep. On the Dreamtime walk, we show you 3 Aboriginal artifacts. First Aboriginal artifact I'm going to show you today is the spear. Rainforest name for this one, we call this galka. Yes? As you can see here in Rainforest Station, we use bamboo, made in China. Yeah?
I don't think so.
Now, traditional spears, it's not bamboo because we're not from China. Yeah? The traditional spears are made out of the same type of wood that's used for those didgeridoos you saw on the dance show there. If you want to see those traditional spears, we have some on your left, right over there. And we also have some more on your right. Yeah?
Mr. Original.
Yeah.
Original.
Now, the reason we use bamboo is because bamboo is much more lighter to throw. It's pretty easy to make and it's not as dangerous. Yeah? So everyone can have a good time here. Alrighty. Now, as you all know, spears is used for hunting, so we can eat. Yeah? Now there's 3 ways to hunt using the spear. First way, we put our hand right in the middle, just like this. This is used for animals we can catch up to on foot, such as echidna, snake, wombat. Catch up to them, jab. Yeah? Second way, finger on the tip of the spear, just like this. Stand on the riverbank, aim for our target, and we throw. Third and final way, most common way, is using this here spear thrower. More commonly known around Australia as a woomera. Rainforest name, we call this melee. Yes? As you can see, the spear thrower is around the same length as my arm. So when I grab it by the handle, all it does is make my arm longer. Yeah? Very straightforward. As you can see on our woomera, we have a little hook. Tip of our spear, we have a little divot. I'm going to guess that you know what I'm going to do next, yeah? We're going to put 2 and 2 together. As you can see, our woomera now hangs into place. Yes? All that's left to do now is hold onto our spear with our pointer finger and our thumb. Balance the spear on our knuckles like that. Aim for our target, pull back, we fire. We use the woomera because it gives spear more speed and more power, so we take down those much larger animals, yeah? Such as a kangaroo, cassowary, crocodile, women, shark. Alright, now, I want to give you a quick demonstration now. First by hand, ready? See how far we can go by hand. Yeah? So far. Now with spear throw, as I said, more speed and more power. Ready? See how we go. Ready?
Whoa, where did that go?
Yeah. Alrighty, now, the wildlife were very kind to lend us some of their kangaroos. You see those kangaroos out there? Yeah. Very funny looking kangaroos, you reckon? Now I'm going to try and hit those kangaroos so we can have something for dinner tonight, yeah? So we don't starve and go hungry. Now, let's see.
Sounds good.
All the power and speed is all cool, but if you're not accurate, then what's the point?
Wow.
First try. Alrighty. Now, I was gonna say, if we weren't accurate, we grab our spears and we start hunting for nearby McDonald's. Ready? We got one. Oh, that kangaroo should have jumped. I would have had him, man. Alright, we got one kangaroo. Kangaroos up here taste like banana trees for some reason. Ah, poor kangaroo.
That's enough.
Last one now, last one. Alrighty. Last one now.
Whoa.
Alrighty. We've got one kangaroo. Did someone say KFC?
No.
I think you first time lucky.
Yeah, I should really stop, eh? Yeah. It's probably gonna be my last one then. Ready? Okay.
Whoa.
First one first.
Okay.
This is the second Aboriginal artifact that I'm going to show you today. Didgeridoo. Yeah? Rainforest name, we call this Yiggy Yiggy. Yes? Yiggy Yiggy. Now, many people think didgeridoo is an indigenous word, but it's actually a European word. So where do they get didgeridoo from? Listen very carefully, because when I play this instrument, you will hear didgeridoo. Very straightforward, yes? Now, didgeridoo is nothing too special. All it is a hollow piece of wood. Yes? It's just a piece of wood that's been hollowed out, yeah? Now, the way it is hollowed out is by the little termites. Termites are those little ants here, and they're very sensitive. Sunlight kills them, which is no good. So they can do one of two things. First thing they can do is build those termite mounds. They go all up to around 8 feet, which is crazy. But second thing they can do is go into the rainforest out there, dig into the trees, dig down. Yeah? In the trees, there's no sunlight. They also find moisture. Yeah? Now we go out into the rainforest and we tap on the trees. If it makes a hollow sound, then we cut it, take it back home with us. Yes? If we're lucky, termites have hollowed it all the way through. If they haven't, we make fire, grab hot coal, stick it through the top, and burn its way through. Yes? If the top is a bit uncomfortable, or if it's just not the right size for our lips, then we put beeswax and we mold it to a correct size. Sometimes we are lucky and we don't need beeswax, like this one right here, yeah? This one's very lucky. As you can see, no beeswax on this bad one. Yep. But some of them have beeswax, just like this, yeah? That's what the beeswax looks like. Beeswax is very useful because you can mold it anytime, yeah? Alright. Now, as you all know, didgeridoo is a woodwind instrument, yeah? To play this instrument, there's 4 steps. First step, lips. Just like that. You don't want to go too soft, and you don't want to go too hard. Yeah? If you go too soft, it sounds like this. Yeah? If you go too hard, it sounds like this. Yeah? It's not a trumpet. You gotta remember that, yeah? If you find that right spot right in between, it sounds really good. It sounds just like this. Ready? Yeah? Yeah. Alright, second step is your tongue. Just like a drum does in a song. It creates that beat, you know? It's the same thing with our tongue, alright? When we play this instrument, we have to move our tongue up and down, side to side, in and out of our mouth. Just like this. Ready? Alright. Third step, when we play this instrument, we use our voice box. So when we play, we just call out. Just like this. Ready?
Bak bak çak şimdi böyle.
Yeah? You heard didgeridoo there? Yeah. Alright, now the fourth and final step, when we play this instrument, we have to try and breathe at the same time. This is a very hard step. This is called recycled breathing, yeah? So what we do, we have to try breathe, play, same time. Just like this, ready? Yeah? 4 steps just like that, yeah? Alrighty, now, for your entertainment, we have 3 Australian animals below. We're going to start off with the animal on the right-hand side, dingo. Yes? Dingo is just like a wolf, and it makes a howling sound. I'm going to try and imitate that howling sound now through the didgeridoo, just like this. Ready? Now we all know what a kookaburra sounds like? Yeah? That laughing sound? I'm going to try and imitate that laughing sound now through a didgeridoo. Just like this. Ready? Yeah? Alright, now third and final animal we have there is the kangaroo. Now, this one is a bit different to those two because unlike those two, I have no idea what this one sounds like, yeah? So for this one, instead of imitating its calls, we're going to imitate its actions, yeah? Jumping, listening, scratching, just like this, ready? sit right in the cage right over there. Show you today. The spear. Language name for this in Rainforest we call this wango. Yes? Now, I saved the boomerang for last because this is probably the safest out of those three, yeah? Except for Didgeridoo maybe. But I saved this one for last because this is one where everyone gets a try. Yeah? Awesome. Anyone feeling a bit lucky today? Nah. Alright, now before I get into it any further, is anyone here left-handed? Does anyone throw with their left hand? We're all righties? Beautiful. Alright. This is used for hunting flying animals, such as birds, yeah? This is very, very useful because if you miss your target, the boomerang will shoot all the way around and come back to you. Very, very useful. Only useful if you throw it correctly, yeah? And I'm just going to give you a quick run through on how to throw it correctly, yeah? First of all, I'm going to hand everyone a boomerang. The way I hand it to you is the correct way to hold it, alrighty? Alright. There you go, maybe. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Here you go, muscles. There you go, man.
Thank you.
There you go. There you go. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Absolute legend. Alrighty. Now, I know that you guys like to fidget around with your boomerangs. It's a very common thing to do, so do not worry, alrighty? But no one did, it seems like. Perfect. Alright. Now, just in case you ever do fidget, alright, and you forget how to hold it, I'm going to give you a quick little run through, alright? Now, on your boomerang, as you can see, you have two sides. One side, you got a curve. That's the one with the little paint on it, yeah? The red, yeah? Turn it around, you got a flat side. On that flat side, in the bottom left corner, yeah? You're going to see a little fly cut. There's going to be a little shaving, yeah? Yeah, in the bottom left corner there. On the flat side there, matey? Yep, right there. Right there, yeah? Now, just in case you ever forget how to hold it, what you want to do is you just want to try and find that little shaving, yeah? Try and find it, and you just want to put your hand right on the top of it, just like that, yeah? And all that's up to do now, hold it, and point it outwards like that. Yeah, just like that. Beautiful. All right. Are you lefty?
No.
You're ready. You just recorded me right now. Alrighty, now, we're all holding it correctly now. Same time, none of us are holding it correctly. Reason for this is because our boomerang is on a straight angle. Yeah? Remember when I said this boomerang will shoot around? Yeah? If we throw it on a straight angle, this boomerang will head in a straight direction, which is what we do not want. Right? So what we're going to try and do, we're going to try and imagine a big clock right in front of us. Just pretend there's a big clock, yeah? That straight angle, that's a 12 o'clock, yeah? Do we all know where 1 o'clock is? Yes? 12 and 1, something like that. That 1 o'clock angle, try and find that. That is your correct way, yeah? 1 o'clock. 12 and 1, just like that, perfect. All right. Let me see you one second. There you go. All right, now, this is where the boomerang gets very important. Make sure you remember this. Please remember this. Alright? We do not want to dip our angle to a 2 o'clock or a 3 o'clock. Reason for this is because our boomerang is going to shoot straight into the air and shoot straight down. Twice as fast. This is no good because you need your head to think in life. Yeah? 12 and 1. Next thing we do, we step forward with our left foot. We're all righties, yeah? We step forward with our left foot, just like that. When you're ready to throw, you step forward with your left. Don't start off with your left foot. Many people start off with their left foot, do that, alrighty? Make sure when you're ready, you step into it with your left foot. Yeah? Last but not least, when you throw it, you want to give it some power, give it some muscle. Don't be afraid to give it some muscle. There's not too much muscle. I can see big guns over here. Yeah? And you want to give it a good
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Yeah? Just like that. Did anyone here see Happy Gilmore? No. You never seen Happy Gilmore, man? Alrighty. Well, it's all in the wrist. Yeah? Alrighty. Now, 12-1. Step forward, left foot, do the wrist flick. If you get this done, you're going for it already.
That's it.
If you get this done, your boomerang's going to shoot around and hopefully should come back to you. Yeah? If you do want, if you do want to catch it, alrighty, What you want to try and do is a clapping motion. Away from the body. Yeah? If you don't want to catch it, then you should probably run.
As soon as you see it coming back, run.
You're out of it. Alrighty, matey. Alright, I want to give you a quick demonstration now. Alrighty. Alright, just like this, yeah? Now when you're gonna step out here, guys, what you want to try and do, there's gonna be a tree out here. In the catcher enclosure, there's a tree, yeah? You want to try aim straight for that tree. Not too high, not too low. Just good eye level, yeah? Or, now, like I said before, 12, 1, step forward, throw. Altogether, your throw looks something like that. Something like that.
Wow.
Watch out for this one.
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
You want one more demonstration?
Let's talk about it.
Alrighty. Easy. So, 1, step forward.
Come back.
Just like that, yeah?
Shit. Just be careful.
Easy.
Yeah.
Alright, everyone.